In this video, I'll walk you through how to create an Apple ID on your iPhone. First, you need a valid phone number and email. Let's get started. Tap Safari to open the app. Go to apple.com. Scroll down. Tap on Account. Select Manage your Apple ID. On the top right, tap on the arrow. Select Create Apple ID. Complete the requirements by filling your name. Use the drop-down menu and select your country. Fill in your birthday. Enter your email. Choose a strong password. The password must be at least 8 characters, a number, a capital and a symbol. Confirm your password by filling it again. Select your country with the drop-down window. Add your phone number. Select the way of verifying account either by phone call or text message. Complete the captcha code. Tap Continue. Verify your email by entering the verification code that you have received by email. Then tap Next. Check your phone for a text message that has the verification code. Fill in the code. Tap Next. Congratulations, you now have an Apple ID. Write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like this video and see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.